My name is Nazmeera Moola. I'm the Chief Sustainability Officer of 91, which is South Africa's largest third-party asset manager. My role involves integrating sustainability into the investment decision-making across our business, and in addition, working with our teams to develop specific strategies that specifically address sustainability concerns. Part of being a leader in an investment manager, it's about how you create an environment that allows younger people in the business to bring their A game to the situation. Investment decisions are about people's judgment, and if you create a space where people feel more confident, they will be better able to exercise that judgment. So a part of the role for every leader in our business is facilitating this, creating that space, which I think is just so important. I have seen younger people be particularly effective when they operate from a position of strength. So where they have built a measure of credibility within the businesses they operate in, and then they seek to address specific issues that they have familiarity with, whether that's affecting them directly or people that are close to them. And then the most difficult bit is deciding how to drive that change. Is it a question of supporting other people? Is it a question of having a voice and speaking up to more senior people? And if it's the latter, how do you do that? Because my experience is shouting doesn't work that well. So it's about having the confidence to go and have a harder conversation with a more senior person in the business. And my advice would be brave. If you think you have a solid case and it's well thought through and you have that platform, be brave.